understand that as they laid the cross down on the ground at Golgotha's hill, they laid Jesus on top of the cross, and the reason why he was lying down on top of the cross is because the lamb in the Old Testament, when he was killed, he had to be lying down. But now we see no longer Jesus is not lying down anymore, but he's standing up. His head is pointed to heaven, and his feet is pointed to Mother Earth. And his hands are stretched out wide, step out and draw together man and God. One hand stretched God the Father, and one hand stretched to unredeemed mankind. And I heard Jesus say, I am the way. Well, what do you mean by the way, Jesus? The way is a connecting link for man to get back to God, and for God to get back to man. Somebody said that the veil was being ripped from the top to the bottom. So when the veil was ripped from the top to the bottom, that gave us access to make intercession for ourselves, to make intercession on behalf of others. So we ought to thank God that he sent Jesus to be a ransom for us. We ought to thank God that he sent Jesus to die for us when we could not save our own selves. We ought to thank God for Jesus, that God committed his love toward us, that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Once more, being saved by Jesus' blood, we shall be saved from wrath through him. The songwriter says, what can wash away my sins? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. For this blood will never lose its power. Jesus died on the cross, one price. They took him down on the cross, and they carried him to a burial tomb. He laid there all Friday night. He stayed there all Saturday. He laid there all Saturday night. But early one Sunday morning, he got all power in his hands. I'm not talking about white power. I'm not talking about home power. I'm not talking about black power. I'm not talking about white power. I'm talking about the power of Jesus. Raise himself to the dead. But not only that, he said he's coming back again to receive us unto himself. That way he is, we may be also. So we are